This amazing world has more natural wonders than we could ever count. In this video, we'll look at 10 of Mother Nature's beautifully strange creations. At the end of the video, tell us in the comments which of these remarkable wonders impressed you the most. Number 10. Caño Cristales. Caño Cristales is a true gem tucked away in the heart of Colombia. Also known as Rainbow River or the River of Seven Colors, Caño Cristales is a pristine colorful river that winds its way through the lush Colombian jungle. The river gets its striking colors from the blooming of an aquatic plant called the Macarenia clavigera. As the water levels decrease and sunlight reaches the riverbed, these plants burst into a vibrant palette of red, blue, green, yellow, and black. Some people believe that Caño Cristales is the most beautiful river in the world. To witness the river's spectacular display of colors, you'll have to visit during the months of June to November. During this period, the water levels in the river decrease, allowing the vibrant colors of the aquatic plants to become more visible. Number 9. Moeraki Boulders. Nestled along the coast of New Zealand, you'll find a group of remarkable huge spherical stones called Moeraki boulders. What makes these boulders unique compared to others is their extraordinary spherical shape and impressive size. These colossal orbs, with some reaching up to 3 meters in diameter, stand out as natural marvels that are rarely found in such abundance. While many boulders and rocks are typically angular or irregular in shape due to natural weathering processes, many of the Moeraki boulders have an exceptional level of smoothness and symmetry. Not all of these boulders are perfectly smooth and round, but many of them are. It all began with layers of sediment, minerals, and calcite cement that gradually built up around a core. Over time, erosion and wave action revealed these amazing rounded concretions that we see today. These boulders are estimated to be around 60 million years old. The combination of their perfectly spherical shapes and remarkable sizes make the Moeraki boulders a truly distinctive natural phenomenon. Number 8. Champagne Pool. Champagne Pool is a fascinating geothermal feature that is also located on the beautiful island of New Zealand. Visitors are captivated by the pool's vibrant colorful waters, reminiscent of a bubbling champagne flute. This natural hot spring is a sight to behold, a true testament to the wonders that lie beneath our feet. Champagne Pool has vibrant hues of orange, yellow, and green that swirl together, creating an otherworldly palette that seems straight out of an artist's dream. These colors are the result of mineral deposits mingling with the geothermal waters over thousands of years. Notice the steam rising from the water. Champagne Pool's high temperature is primarily caused by geothermal activity. Underground volcanic heat sources and hot water channels contribute to the pool's intense heat. Water infiltrates through the ground, coming into contact with hot rocks and magma chambers. This heats the water to temperatures ranging from 70 to 75 degrees Celsius or 158 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. This geothermal activity, combined with the presence of minerals, creates the pool's vibrant colors and constant release of steam, showcasing the dynamic forces of the Earth's geothermal energy. Number 7. Hidden Beach. Mexico's hidden beach looks so weird in photos and videos that at first glance, some people believe it can't be real. But it is definitely not an illusion. Located in Mexico's beautiful Marietas Islands, there are various theories of how this beautifully strange beach was formed. The most popular idea is that Hidden Beach was formed through a combination of natural processes including volcanic eruptions, erosion by wind, waves and tides, and geological movements. Another less accepted idea is that the space above the beach was the result of bomb testing by the Mexican military, and natural forces combined to create the beach we see today. Regardless of how the beach was formed, it's become a very popular attraction due to its unique beauty. The only way to reach the beach is by boat, as the Marietas Islands are a protected reserve. Upon arriving, you'll be greeted by the breathtaking sight of turquoise waters, soft golden sands, and the fascinating dome-shaped ceiling of Hidden Beach. Number 7. Magnetic Termite Mounds. The magnetic termite mounds in northern Australia showcase nature's architectural genius. A particular species of termites builds these mounds with a narrow and elongated shape. By doing so, the termites create an efficient climate control system that helps them thrive in the hot and humid environment. These tall mounds, which are typically 6 to 10 feet tall or more, are built perpendicular to the sun's rays to minimize direct exposure to sunlight and reduce heat absorption. This strategic orientation, combined with the mound's impressive height, allows for a natural airflow that keeps the termites' underground chambers well ventilated. The termites literally build miniature skyscrapers with air conditioning systems. The term magnetic termite mounds is a bit of a misnomer, as the mounds themselves do not possess any magnetic properties. The name refers to their north-south alignment, seemingly defying gravity and giving the impression of being magnetically influenced. Each mound is meticulously constructed using tiny particles of soil and termite saliva, forming a strong and durable structure. The magnetic termite mounds is a reminder of nature's boundless creativity and the incredible feats that tiny creatures can accomplish. Number 5. Salar de Uyuni. The country of Bolivia is home to Salar de Uyuni, the largest salt flat on Earth. Salar de Uyuni was formed over millions of years through the transformation of a prehistoric lake. As the lake dried up, it left behind thick layers of salt and minerals. The combination of dry conditions and evaporation caused the dissolved minerals in the lake water to crystallize, resulting in the formation of this vast expanse of salt crust. Imagine stepping onto a seemingly endless white canvas, stretching as far as the eye can see. This stunning landscape gives the illusion of a frozen, otherworldly sight. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water covers the salt crust, transforming the landscape into a giant mirror. It's as if you're actually in the sky itself, because the sky is reflected on the surface, creating a surreal and captivating sight. It's like you're on top of the world's largest mirror. If you're at Salar de Uyuni during sunset when it's wet, you'll be treated to a magically beautiful landscape. The area transforms into a canvas for the most stunning hues of oranges, pinks, and purples. The setting sun casts its magical glow across the horizon, creating a breathtaking picture-perfect landscape that words can hardly do justice. Number 4. Grand Prismatic Spring. The Grand Prismatic Spring is a stunning natural wonder located in the state of Wyoming in Yellowstone National Park. It's the largest hot spring in the United States and the third largest in the world. The spring is famous for its vibrant and mesmerizing colors. The Grand Prismatic Spring has a total area of over 3,700 square meters or 40,000 square feet. It was formed from heated water rising from an underground thermal water table. The water is heated by volcanic activity and carries minerals to the surface. The water emerges at a temperature of about 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius, and it gradually cools as it spreads out from the center of the spring. As you can see in this video, the water exhibits a striking display of colors that range from vivid blue in the center to green and yellow, transitioning to shades of orange and red at the outer edges. The colors are caused by the presence of various bacteria and organisms that thrive in the hot waters. To protect both visitors and the delicate ecosystem, there are designated viewing areas around this spectacular natural wonder. This allows visitors to safely observe and appreciate the breathtaking beauty of Grand Prismatic Spring from different angles. Number 3. Zhangjiajie National Forest. There is a truly remarkable place in China known as Zhangjiajie National Forest. This enchanting destination is unlike most forests you'll find in the world. It's famous for its towering sandstone pillars that rise up from the ground, creating a surreal and awe-inspiring landscape. You can explore this extraordinary forest through a network of trails and paths and cable cars, allowing you to immerse yourself in its natural splendor. Zhangjiajie is also home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including rare species like the Chinese giant salamander. One of the main highlights of a trip to Zhangjiajie is a walk across the glass-bottomed bridge that spans a dramatic gorge. Walking across it gives you a thrilling and bird's-eye view of the surrounding landscape. Number 2. Danakil Depression. The Danakil Depression is a unique geological feature located in northern Ethiopia. It's one of the hottest and most inhospitable regions on Earth, but it's also one of the most fascinating places on the planet. Basically, the Danakil Depression has developed as a result of Africa and Asia slowly moving apart. This movement has caused the Earth's crust to stretch and thin, creating a series of valleys and depressions in the region. This separation has also led to volcanic activity, which has contributed to the unique geological features of the area. During the hot season, it's common for temperatures to reach 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit and above. It's best to visit during the cooler months between November and March. People visit the Danakil Depression to marvel at the unique and colorful landscape. There are bubbling sulfur springs, colorful hot springs, and even active volcanoes. It looks like a scene from a science fiction movie. This area has been compared to the planet Mars because of its landscape, harsh conditions, and potential for scientific discovery. The Danakil Depression is a place of contrasts and contradictions, where extreme beauty and harsh conditions coexist. It's a fascinating reminder of how natural forces dramatically shape our magnificent planet. Number 1. Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, also known as Aurora Borealis, is a truly magical natural phenomenon. The Northern Lights are a natural light show that occurs in the polar regions, primarily in the Arctic. The dancing lights can be seen from multiple countries, with the best places being Norway, Sweden, and Finland. But you can also see them from certain territories in Russia, Canada, and the USA from the state of Alaska. The light show is caused by the interaction between the Earth's magnetic field and charged particles from the Sun. When these particles collide with atoms and molecules in the Earth's atmosphere, they release energy in the form of beautiful colors. The result is a set of curtains of shimmering colors that dance across the night sky, creating a mesmerizing display that has taken away the breath of many witnesses. The colors of the Northern Lights can vary, but the most common hues are green, pink, yellow, blue, and purple. The intensity and patterns of the lights are ever-changing, making each display unique and unpredictable. Sometimes they appear as gentle ribbons, while other times they form vibrant, swirling bands of color that stretch across the entire sky. Generally, the best months to witness the lights are from December through March because of longer hours of darkness and clear skies.